Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Ryan, and today we are going to talk about English speaking practice.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
So Ryan, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling great, thank you. And you, Maya?
I am doing well too. It is a beautiful day today.
Yes, it is. The weather is very nice and sunny.
Today's topic is very important for our viewers. Many people can read English well, but they feel shy to speak.
That is very true. Speaking is different from reading.
Exactly. Reading is quiet, but speaking needs confidence.
Yes, and speaking needs practice with real sounds and real people.
So today we will give some easy tips for speaking practice.
I think that is a great idea. Let's help our viewers speak better.
Let's start with the first tip. Speak slowly.
Yes. Many beginners try to speak fast, but this makes mistakes.
That is correct. When you speak slowly, you can think about the words.
Slow and clear speaking is always better than fast and confusing speaking.
Let's give an example. Instead of saying, I went to the market very fast,
You should say, I went to the market, slowly and clearly.
perfect example. That sounds much better.
Thank you. Now, what is the second tip, Maya?
The second tip is talk to yourself.
Oh, really? Talk to yourself?
Yes, it sounds funny, but it works very well.
How does it work exactly?
When you are alone, describe what you are doing in English.
Like, I am cooking rice or I am washing my hands.
Exactly. Simple sentences about daily life.
That sounds fun. I will try this today.
Please try it and tell us in the comments how it goes.
Good idea. Now, what is the third tip?
The third tip is don't be afraid of mistakes.
This is very important. Many people stop speaking because they are scared.
Yes, but mistakes help us learn.
That is true. Every big speaker made mistakes first.
Even famous English teachers made mistakes when they were beginners.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning. No mistakes means no growth.
That is a wonderful way to think about it.
Let's talk about grammar a little bit now.
Okay, sounds good.
Do you know the difference between regular and irregular verbs?
Yes. Regular verbs add -ed for past tense,
Correct. For example, walk becomes walked.
and play becomes played.
Exactly. But irregular verbs are different.
Yes, like go becomes went, not goed.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea. Eat becomes ate.
And see becomes saw.
These verbs do not follow the normal rule.
So learners must practice these verbs separately.
That is a very good point.
One more example. Have becomes had.
And make becomes made.
Perfect. Practice these every day and they become easy.
I agree. Repetition really helps.
Now let's talk about a fourth tip, shadowing.
What is shadowing, Maya?
Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it immediately.
Oh, like copying the speaker.
Yes, exactly like copying.
That sounds interesting. Where can we find good audio for this?
You can use YouTube videos, movies, or podcasts like ours.
That is a smart idea.
Let's do a small practice together right now.
Okay, I am ready.
I will say a sentence and you repeat it.
Sounds good.
I would like a cup of tea.
I would like a cup of tea.
Very good. Perfect pronunciation.
Thank you. This is helpful practice.
Let's try one more sentence.
Okay.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Excellent. You are speaking clearly.
I feel more confident now.
That is the power of practice.
Yes, practice makes speaking easier every day.
Let's try one more sentence together.
Sure, I am ready.
I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
Wonderful. Your rhythm is very natural.
Thank you, Maya. This shadowing method is really helpful.
Now let's talk about pronunciation tips.
Great, I love this part.
One common mistake is the th sound.
Oh yes, many learners find this difficult.
To say th, Put your tongue between your teeth gently.
Like in the words think and this.
Exactly. Let's practice together.
Okay, think, this, 3, that.
Wonderful. Your pronunciation is improving.
Thank you, Maya.
What about you, our viewers? Can you say these words clearly?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
Let's also talk about the V and W sounds.
Oh, these are tricky for many learners too.
Yes. V uses your teeth on your lip, like very.
And W uses round lips like water.
Let's practice. Very, water, voice, world.
Very water, voice, world.
Great job. You are doing very well.
Thank you. Pronunciation practice is fun.
Now let's move to another helpful tip.
What is next?
Recording your own voice.
Oh, that is a good one.
When you record yourself, you can hear your mistakes.
Yes, and then you can correct them.
Many famous speakers use this method too.
That is very motivating to hear.
You can use your phone. Just record 1 minute every day.
And then listen back carefully.
Yes, and compare it with a native speaker's voice.
That is a smart way to improve quickly.
Let's talk about simple daily sentences for speaking practice.
Okay, give me an example.
What time is it?
What time is it? That is a simple and useful sentence.
Yes, we use it every single day.
What about, where is the bathroom?
Perfect example too. Very useful for travel and daily life.
These small sentences build big confidence.
That is true. Small steps lead to big success.
I really love that idea.
Here is another one. How much does this cost?
That is very useful for shopping.
Yes, and can I have the menu, please?
That is perfect for restaurants.
These sentences are short but very powerful.
Learning small sentences first makes speaking much easier.
Now, let's talk about speaking with confidence.
Yes, confidence is very important.
Even if you make a mistake, keep speaking.
Don't stop in the middle of a sentence.
Exactly. Stopping makes you more nervous.
It is better to finish the sentence, even with small mistakes.
That is very good advice.
Thank you. I learned this from experience.
Also, smiling while speaking helps you relax.
Oh, that is true. A smile makes your voice softer too.
And speaking with your hands can help you feel natural.
Yes, like a real conversation with friends.
If you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, please support our channel. It helps us make more videos.
One more tip is joining a speaking group or a language partner.
Oh, that sounds very helpful.
Yes, practicing with another person is different from practicing alone.
You can ask questions and get real answers.
Exactly. Real conversation builds real confidence.
This is very useful advice for our viewers.
Now let's summarize today's speaking tips.
Great idea, Maya.
Tip 1. Speak slowly and clearly.
Tip 2. Talk to yourself in English.
Tip 3. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Tip 4. Practice shadowing with audio.
Tip 5. Record your own voice.
Tip 6. Learn simple daily sentences.
Tip 7. Speak with confidence, even with mistakes.
Tip 8. Practice with a speaking partner.
These tips will help every beginner improve quickly.
Yes, practice every single day for best results.
Remember, speaking English is a skill, just like riding a bicycle.
Yes. At first it feels hard, but with practice it becomes easy.
That is a perfect way to end this lesson.
What about you, our dear viewers?
Which tip will you try first?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
We would love to hear from you.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.